Okay, so the switch is now in with the center console back in. Turn it sideways. As you can see, the switch is here. Power windows right here. These were originally for the seats, but on the limited edition, the seat controls are right there now. So I elected to put it here. I think on the SR5 or non-limited or non-nightshade, these will be used only for the heaters. So you would have to go over to here. These are the automatic running boards, off and then on. Then this, you guys could use, you could use this one. These are the park sensors, but I don't know if it's an option on the non-limited version. So you have 3 spots to put your switch there. So here, as you can see, no illumination, no lights. Now they're on, and now you have your illumination at night, so it's not on all the time. On the other video, I showed where it went to. It went in this, right in this area back here. There's a plug in there, and the plug is either green or white, I believe, and you want to use the green wire to pull your positive, so when your lights come on, your switch illuminates at night. And then I grounded it back in this position back here. You can't ground it to, there's a metal strip in here, can't ground it to there, not a good ground. There's also a ground underneath here you could use, but I just elected to go to the one right underneath your shifting knob here. Okay, that's it.